Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix voice chat not working in Valorant. The first thing we need to do is open up your Valorant. While in your Valorant game, just go ahead and go to top right and click on settings. Once on settings, go ahead and go to audio. Then go ahead and voice chat. In here, what I do is turn off the party and team chat for about 20 seconds and then turning it on. And also another thing you could do is by going to your input device and messing up with all your mics. Once done, just go ahead and exit out of Valorant and try if that does not work. Another thing we could do is by going to your desktop. In the desktop, go ahead and click on the volume on the bottom right corner and then click on sounds. A window will pop up and it will show your sounds device and your mic. Go ahead and click on recording and your mic should be moving here if your mic doesn't really have a physical problem. Then go ahead and open up your Valorant and see if the error still persists. That will be all for today. Thank you so much.